Uh-oh, what do we got here? Looks like some heat. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all saw the thumbnail. Y'all see the box. Let's go. Family, welcome back to the channel. We bringing some heat today, baby. We got the Nike Galaxy Foamposites 2025. Now these things were a problem when they originally released back in 2012. Y'all remember them days. So first, let's take a look at the box. You got the Nike swoosh and the Nike name and that Galaxy print all around the box. I was lucky enough to hit these on the sneakers app. They weren't that easy though, they're limited quantity. But I got a big W with these. So let's open up the box. And as you open it, it's got this nice Galaxy print. And here it is. Just a fire shoe. Man, this is a beautiful shoe. It's got the glow-in-the-dark soles, the shank plate, the carbon fiber shank plate. And I can see why people went crazy for these back in the day and today. Got the removable flight tag. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shoe. So I ended up going up a half size on these because the toe box does get a little narrow and I do have wide feet. So I suggest if you're gonna get these, you go up half a size. Not much to say about this shoe, it speaks for itself. So let me know in the comments, did any of you guys hit? Did you guys buy these off of resale? So once again, family, thank you for being tapped in and all your support that you've given the channel. Do me a favor, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. And until the next one, peace.